Follow these steps and your phone will operate a lot cooler. Hey everybody, Dan for Jowua here. Today I'm going to talk about how to keep your phone cool when using the Tesla wireless charging pads. So we all love the wireless charging for our phones in the cars, but for a lot of people they're nothing more than a glorified phone warmer. So there's a couple of things you can do to keep them cool so your phone arrives charged at your destination. So the first thing is alignment. If the phone is not properly aligned in the charging pad, if it's on an edge or for whatever reason you don't have it lined up, you've got to keep it centered right in the middle of the wireless charging pad so you don't lose charging to heat. Second thing is phone case. So you're going to want to avoid having thick phone cases or any kind of metal in your phone case. That can interfere in charging. And if you're going to be driving for a long amount of time, probably avoid any kind of phone case because even the thinnest phone case can trap heat inside of it. Another thing is the environment. If it's super hot outside and gets hot in the car, your phone's just going to naturally heat up more. So use AC and use fans. If you're running a lot of apps, that can actually produce a little bit of heat. So we'd recommend going through and turning off all the background apps that are running. Follow these steps and your phone will operate a lot cooler. If you're looking for a solution for all of these issues, you can consider our Jowua active cooling phone mount for Tesla. It locks your phone into the perfect spot every time. Now what this does is it provides a cooled semiconductor plate right behind the MagSafe circle on the mount. That's always running, and if it's super hot on a particular day, you can turn on the fan with a slight switch and that will keep your phone extra cool. It's very quiet, you won't even notice it, and you'll arrive at your destination with your phone fully charged. Safe driving, everyone.